Hi, I'm Michelle with Bella Branch DIY, and you're watching Home Talk.
Now grab some pillows and also grab a bath mat and start cutting little squares about 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches or whatever size you want because you're going to make the coolest anthro-inspired pillows. So I cut out 5 in the pink, and then what I did was I grabbed kind of a muted mustard yellow bath mat, and I also cut those, and I cut 4 of those into about 2.5 by 2.5. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then I took some fabric glue because I'm all into no-sew, and then I just repeated and added glue on the back of each piece and just alternated from pink, yellow, and I put 9 of them on the blue pillow. And we're going to be making 2 pillows in this video. Then I took some fluffy yarn and I measured it around each square, but when you put it around there, it ends up looking like a circle. So you're going to take some of your no-sew glue, and which is a fabric glue, put that around your rug, and then put the yarn around that, and just keep going all the way around. It's already looking super cute, but we're going to do one more detail on here. Then I took some glue and I took some blue, it's actually a turquoise kind of a blue yarn, and really you could use anything you have, any color, any style, whatever is your vibe, and whatever fits your home decor. That's the coolest part about pillows like this. And then I repeated the process and added pink in the bottom left and blue on the bottom right. Grab another bath mat, and I used pink, and I'm going to cut some strips out that are about 2.5 inches wide. And then the first one, it really depends on the size of your pillow, but you can see how I gauged it based on the way the pillow looks. And I did 3 rows. And then I add my no-sew glue, and I added that to the first strip to the top. Added some more no-sew glue, and then did that to my third piece. And of course, I'm not done. We're now going to add the glue around and take that same fluffy white yarn, and we're going to put that around each piece. These are so darn cute, and they literally look like Anthropologie pillows, all from a bath rug. So I did that on all 3 pieces. And after we finish putting on our last little fluffy yarn, we are going to make some pom-poms. And the easiest way is with a pom-pom maker. This thing is invaluable and you will use it with so many projects. So you're going to open up your pom-pom maker, and then you're going to take your yarn, hold the ball of yarn is going to be to the right side, and you're just going to wrap it around until you fill it up and make it as fat as you can, so when you close it, it barely closes, and that's how you'll have a nice fluffy one. And then you snip it, and on the other side I'm using purple, so one side is orange, one side's purple, and then I just keep doing that until they're even. Then you close it up, snip it, and then there's a little groove you'll see where the scissors, where I had my scissors, and you clip that right through the center. Then take another piece of yarn, and I cut it about a foot long because this is how you're going to add it to your pillows. And you pull it so it's kind of taut. It's going to have a click, and then pull it and tightly put a knot, and then I did a second knot. And now the cool part, you're going to open up those little levers and reveal your pom-pom. This is so satisfying doing this part. It is so darn cute. Fluff her up, and then if you need to trim it, just trim a little of the edges on there, and then make all your pom-poms. Now this one I started with orange and purple, but I decided I wanted to add white, and really I wish I had done this first because I think this one turned out the coolest, and I love it. You're going to see how cute this is. So you do the same thing, close her up, snip through the center in that groove, take your about a foot long of yarn, pop it in there, tie it super tight till you hear kind of like a pop, open it up, and then pull the pieces apart and fluff her up, and that is the cutest one. That's my favorite. Now you're going to take an embroidery needle, and you want one that has a point, not a dull end, and you're going to stick your hand inside your pillowcase and go to the corner and stick the needle on one side of the corner, and then you're going to pull it through and then put it through the other side. See how it's coming through the other side? And then pull that through, take your needle off, and then you're going to wind the doubles, the two pieces of yarn, and wrap it around, and then slip knot it around the other part of the yarn. And then I did that twice. I did 2 slip knots. And then you're going to trim it, but so that you make sure that it is secure and it doesn't come apart, you're going to take some of that fabric glue and put a little dab on there, and then you're done. And then you just add the pom-poms to each corner. Same way, super easy. So darn cute, I can't even take it. Then you're done, you stick your insert back into your pillowcase and it turns from this to that. I think these turn out even better than I envisioned, and you will never look at a bath mat in the same way.
I hope you guys loved today's project. How cute are these? Look at this pom-pom with the 3 different colors. I swear, these look like Anthropologie, right? These are totally, look, this is one of my Anthropologie pillows. That is an actual $300 pillow. But look at these, right? All from a bath mat. I hope you guys love it. And until next time, bye.